Well, I've been working with Lloyd James for about 15, 20 years, right back in the days at the beginning of direct marketing in the United Kingdom. And one thing for certain is that they've been absolutely consistent with their dedication to their clients and also their creativity. And now more recently, I work in the field of creativity and innovation. And often you think that there might not be such a thing as innovation and creativity when you're slicing and dicing customer data, but there really is, and they've got the secret to what it is. The biggest benefit is being absolutely sure that the people that you're going to work with have worked in the industry and on some of the biggest and best brands in the world for many, many years. And they always keep up to date, so they're up to date with all the sort of technical digital marketing that we're doing now. But you know that they're calling on years and years of experience as well, and it's that blend that's absolutely fantastic, and that's the biggest benefit. Think's a global innovation company, so we really rely on data and market insights to inspire people to be creative. So we work with Lloyd James in order to get the sort of inside details and the pieces of information that you can't find without really understanding data analysis really well. Often people would think that data or analysis is dry and difficult, but actually when professionals like the team at Lloyd James bring it alive, it suddenly makes sense for people and it actually inspires creativity and innovation.